Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to convert Facebook account to page. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, click on top left profile. After that, tap on three dot option. Scroll down and click on turn on professional mode. Just click, tap on turn on. Okay, then next, tap on next and click on public, tap on next. Okay, confirm and next, click on next and skip. Go to professional dashboard. Okay, to back, click on your profile, then refresh and to convert Facebook account to page. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.